Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you have 20-inch induction wheels on your Model Y that look like this? Are they beat up, curb rashed, scratched, and just all around in a state of disrepair, kind of like mine? Or if you have a nice new set of induction wheels that you want to keep looking pristine and new. In this video, we're going to cover a way to cover up any imperfections and keep your wheels looking brand new. Let's get into it. So jumping right into the product we're going to be talking about today, I got these from Basenor. This is their 20-inch induction wheel rim protector. It's different than like a full-on hubcap style protector that fits over the whole wheel. These fit just over the rim, the outside of the rim of those 20-inch induction wheels. And I really like that design. So let's take a look here. We're going to get some of the paperwork out of the way, clear out some of the box here. And let's take a look at what we got here. Some nice paperwork from Basenor. I really like this company. They sell a lot of their products on Amazon, really high quality, lots and lots of positive reviews. So I really like it. All their products come with a nice instruction manual too that says how to set them up and how to snap them onto the rim. So I really like that. Taking a look at the first rim protector here, and it's really nice. It's one solid piece of a nice ABS plastic in the exact same shade as that 20-inch induction wheel, that kind of dark, not quite a gunmetal gray, but just like a nice matte black. And I really like the look of these. Instead of having that huge wheel cover on your 20-inch induction wheels, you can do something simple like this to help cover up all that damage, the curb rash that's already there, or help prevent it from happening. If you're cruising around in your car and you scrape up along a curb, it'll scrape up this, easy to replace, versus your whole wheel, and you'll end up having a car like mine. Let's head over to the car and see what it takes to get these set up first, and then we'll head over to the car and actually get them installed. So similar to other wheel covers and wheel accessories I've reviewed on the channel, Basenor also includes a set of a foam tape. This is not an adhesive tape. It does have one sticky side, but it's just kind of a spacer tape to ensure that your wheel cover is not going to be like vibrating all over the place, and really ensure a secure fit when you attach it to the car. So what we do is you turn your rim cover over, and we're actually going to take this tape and just go all the way around all four wheel covers so that there's a nice secure fit. They're not going to be vibrating off, that they fit really well and snap on really well when you're driving down the road. So I'm going to work on doing that to all four of these wheels. All right, and after just a couple minutes, we have the nice foam kind of secured vibration tape all around the outside. Again, it's not sticky tape. It's just a really nice foam layer there to help dampen some of those vibrations. All right, let's head over to the car and see if we can install these and see how they look. All right, so we're just over here at my driver's side front wheel. You can see all the curb rash that's happened over time. We bought this Tesla used, so it's been damaged before. I think it's a fact of life, right? It's a car, it's gonna get driven, and I'm okay with that. I do want to make it look nicer though and protect it from any future damage. So that's the point of these rim protectors here. So very simple. Line up your valve stem with kind of the valve stem piece, and then you just go around and snap it on. Let's see if we can do it. Start up here. See those nice satisfying clicks. Those ones are on. And there you go. 2 seconds, and you get absolutely nice kind of coverage of all of those rim things. I'm just going around and making sure it's on nice and tight. We'll get some close-ups here for you, but I absolutely love that. I think it looks 1,000 times better, covering up all that curb rash around the outside and giving a nice, consistent, uniform look to the actual rim. If you didn't know these were there on the car, you think this is just how it looks factory. I think it matches that black kind of matte black finish that's already on the induction wheels. And I really like how sharp it looks when it all comes together. Let's go do the other wheels. All right, so literally just a few minutes of work, we're all finished. Let's see how the car looks. Well, that about wraps up this quick video. I'm really happy with how these wheel covers look and how they turned out. The ease of installation was a piece of cake. They just snap on to the actual rim and cover up any of the curb rash that's already there and help protect your wheels against future curb rash, something that Teslas seem very prone to. I love these 20-inch induction wheels. I love the matte black finish. That's kind of the accents I'm going over all over my car. You saw it in some of the video I just showed. But I love that matte black finish. It's not taking away or detracting from the actual aesthetics of the wheel. It's just a seamless little integrated wheel cover, rim cover that helps kind of cover up anything that is already there damaged and helps provide some future protection. I think these are going to last a long time. They seem really solid and durable. I'm a big fan. I love having some protection for my wheels now, and it actually cleans up the look on my car especially a lot more. If you're interested in this kind of product, a link to them will be down in the description. Big thank you to Basenor for sending these over to me. Again, I mentioned in the unboxing, I love their products on Amazon. Down in the description, you'll find a link to my link tree with all of the Basenor products in the Amazon Tesla accessories section. I'll highlight it here on the screen. They have a ton of cool stuff, practical, everyday things that really make your Tesla stand out and really kind of make it more functional. And I love that kind of about them. So thank you guys for checking this out. Please feel free to like and subscribe on this video. It really helps out the channel. I'm doing a big giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll have a link to that down in the pinned comment, that video, so go check it out. Appreciate you guys coming back to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.